Hey everyone, I'm out in the yard today. I'm going to be building a trellis, just like this one here. I built this a couple years ago when we got our first clematis. And now that I bought a couple more, I have to make some more trellises. So let me go see if I can find some wood and we'll start building. Hey everyone, welcome to Boomer Life. Okay, I got a good piece of wood. It's just an old fence board. It's probably 20-30 years old that we took down from the fence when we rebuilt last year. And it's good to find one with no knot holes or anything. So when you cut it, it will be more sturdy. Let's go to the garage. Okay, so we're at the table saw and I'm gonna cut these down to 6 7/8 of an inch pieces. These are fence boards. They're pretty cheap, about $5. And they're 1x6 it says, but it's actually not even close to an inch thick. They're 5.5 inches wide and 6 feet long. So, okay, let's get cutting. Hearing protection. So now that I have these all cut up, I'm going to take one of these, probably from the middle. So I only need 5. I'm going to stand them all up like this. Okay, I'm going to flip these all to the side, line them up here, and mark up about 6 inches. This is where I'm going to be gluing it. Come on, Gluebot, you can work. Lost my mark. There it is. We'll just smear that around. That can be wiped off later anyway. Okay, so line these all up. Now I'm going to use these little spacers here from some scrap wood. Well, that didn't work. Let's start clamping first. Okay, now let's put these little spacers in. I lost one. There it is. Okay, now make sure they're nice and even. Give it a little clamp and do another one on this side up here. Now from that last piece, the 6th one that was cut off, I cut that down to a 3 foot, 2 foot, and a 1 foot piece. Those are the ones that are going to go right in here. So now that I have everything all set up here, I got to start measuring and figuring out where these cross pieces are going to go. Okay, my first measurement from the top is going to be about 6 or 7 inches. So we'll do it around here. Next one here is 21, 22, around here. And the last and final little guy is 43 inches. 44, let's see, way down here. Okay, so first one ready. Let's find where the center is first. Put a little bit of glue here. Here we got our brad nailer. If you don't have one of these, you can use nails, maybe even some screws. All right. Now we got to figure out where these end pieces are going to stretch out to on the ends here. So I'm thinking around 5 inches, we'll say. Around there. And around here. Now the fun part, I'm hoping that it doesn't break. Get our pencil, which I've lost. Oh, there it is. So that's around there. It's a little whiplash. Okay, we'll put a bit of glue here. And this is going to be a little tricky. Hold that there. And kabam. Okay, first one's done. Okay, let's get this out to where we want it. Hope it doesn't break. Oops. Give her some glue. Give her a stretch. Right about there. And there we go. That about there. And this final one. About there. Okay, they're all on. Now, for the middle one, go to where we were, glue these all first. Center it, and there. Okay, and for the last one here, figure out where it goes. Center it out. Okay, so now that we got all that glued together, down here, The glue isn't just going to hold this, so I'm going to pre-drill some holes in here and throw a couple of these screws in. 4-inch. Yep, that should be good. Okay, we will. Let's get the first one in. And we'll do one from the other side. Clamps off. Okay, so there it is. For $5, you can make an awesome trellis. It's a lot cheaper than you'd buy at a garden center. They're like 20, 30, some of them even $40. This cost me $5. It's made out of a fence board, and it took maybe a half hour to make. Thank you very much for watching, and like and subscribe, please. Thank you. See you next time.